Your internal customer as well as external customer. Do you know in the training program, I am also your customer. Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are all the situation I will become a customer to you?
When we are asking questions, you are a customer.
We are
when you are asking question, I become the customer. Very good. When else?
we have to give clear explanation from our side.
Yeah, any question you ask, you have to ask the question in a way that I understand your question. And I am asking you, please keep on the video. What is that? It is my requirement. Then only I will talk, in a better manner. If all of you switch off the video, what will happen? My energy level will go down. I do have some requirement. Only when you understand, quality happens. You should not say, no, it is your job, you talk, and my job is, I will do something else on this side. Then quality is a big question mark, right? And so this is called customer focus. As a system, we should produce result. Understand your internal as well as external customer and strive to exceed them. You have joined the black belt program, but we are taking you through another program called ASDM. That will delight your customer, isn't it? So try to delight your customer to the extent possible, and then have a process and system approach. Process is nothing but set of activities. The activities can be performed beautifully, and the activities will definitely produce the output when the inputs are proper. Any process will have input and the output. And in addition, I want you to understand there is one more term called the process parameter. What is process parameter? The condition under which you carry out the process. That is also important, isn't it? We can conduct the same program in Google Meet also. We can do it in Zoom also. Now, this is the process condition, process parameter, right? So understand the process input, process parameters to ensure your outputs are great. Variation always exists in all process. I place an order with you to supply 10,000 units of a product. I place an order with you to supply 10,000 units of a product. I have given you clear requirement, diagram, specification, everything. Can you supply me exactly 10,000 units exactly same?
No, sir.
Definitely not possible.
Every
product is definitely going to be distinctly different from the previous one you produced. You might be following the same process, use the same machine, everything is same, but then also there will be a variation. This is the rule of the nature. You just cannot avoid, right? We think every day has 24 hours. Do you think exactly every day has got exact 24 hours? No, right? So everything every year is 365 days, but it is not so. So always there will be a variation in your output, and you cannot eliminate it. Take it granted, you cannot eliminate it, but you can control it. If you control it, keep the variation minimum, customer will consider all 10,000 products as one and same, and then buy everything. If you don't understand this, keep the variation to dominate. The same variation will make your customer understand that one of the product has become defective, and then he will reject it. So what is actually causing the problem? The variation. If the variation is too much, it be to the extent that it become visible to your customer, then your product is rejected. Variation is okay, but keep it very, very minimum. Make it invisible to your customer, right? So that's the point. And reducing variation is the key to improvement. And if there is no variation in any business process, all of you will lose your job. Once they understand the process, they will automate the process, and then the automation will take care of the rest, isn't it? So variation will always play. That is why always process improvement and professionals like you are required in any organization. And then factual approach. Take decisions based on fact, not on opinion. In that video, you could have seen a lot of decisions taken without properly understanding the fact. Yeah, what do you call a space shuttle getting blasted, and then a ship, a deep water ship on the what is that cement structure getting collapsed because of the poor strength of the cement. And these are all due to the lack of not following the factual approach. Always you must demand for the data. At least if the decision is critical, You must ask for the data, isn't it? If, for everything, no, if you simply go with the opinion, that no, definitely no, there will be big damages. And factual approach is important, and ensure your supplier also deliver optimal result. See, but there is a term called supplier relationship. You know what is the meaning of supplier relationship? Does it mean going for a dinner with your supplier?
No.
Then what does it mean? Having a good supplier relationship. The meaning,
Understanding his pain, what he needs to deliver our requirements.
very good, Sachin. So it simply means you ensure your supplier also deliver optimal results to you. Whether your supplier is supplying a raw material or supplier is supplying a child part, finally for the end product, you are responsible. The child part goes into your product. If something goes wrong, customer will come and only blame you, not your supplier. So it is your responsibility to ensure your supplier deliver optimal results. That is why you do audit, isn't it? You're going for an audit. You check the CPCPK value of your customer. You check the PPPPK value of the customer. You collect the sample, isn't it? Do you conduct all those audits in a proper way? Or do you inform them well in advance about your audit date? Or do you inform them about all your requirements so that they can keep everything ready?
Well in advance.
We tell them well in advance so that they can keep everything in ready, and then you simply go, sign the papers and then come back. Is it the way of audit?
No.
No.
Definitely no. You have to understand their real capability. That is why your company is sending you. You have to assess their real capability. Inform the date, but inform the date, nothing wrong, because they have to send you the vehicle and everything is okay. But the information should be collected by you, not should be provided by them. Right? You collect the information, go collect some sample product, study it. That will speak their capability. This is called factual approach. If you tell them, they prepare the report, the CPCPK, they will make sure it is as per the required level, the sigma level as per the required level. Everything they can cook up, and then everything is ready, and then you just sign. That is not the meaning of supplier relationship, right? So maintain a good relationship with your supplier simply means ensure your supplier also deliver optimal results. If you take care of all these things, quality is assured, right? That is why company has a lot of departments, and there is purchase manager and several things. So this video, since already played, I'm not going to play it. Now there are a few questions I want